Hello classmates, this is Tina Gauthier presenting my discussion for search and seizure. So student rights under the Fourth Amendment, the legal questions are, did the search of Jack's backpack violate his Fourth Amendment? Were the use of surveillance cameras in the school hallways constitutional? Were the school's disciplinary actions lawful and supported by sufficient evidence? So in summary, Jack, a sophomore, is caught vaping in a hallway on school grounds. It can be observed on the monitored video surveillance and was brought to the school administrator's attention. Jack is brought to the assistant principal's office where he was asked to bring his backpack. The assistant principal asked him to empty his pockets containing his wallet and coins. Then the assistant principal searches Jack's backpack, which contains a JUUL device with THC. Jack denies vaping. Jack was informed of the video surveillance that provides evidence of his actions. Jack's parents are contacted. So Jack's attorney argues that his backpack search and use of school surveillance were unconstitutional, violating his Fourth Amendment rights. A relief sought invalidates Jack's suspension and criminal charges to exclude evidence obtained during searches of a student's backpack. The reasonable suspicion. Do you have the right to ask Jack to empty his pockets? Why or why not? Under reasonable suspicion standard established in the Supreme Court case New Jersey v. TLO of 1985, the same Supreme Court established that the school officials can conduct searches without probable cause if there is a reasonable suspicion. Under reasonable suspicion provided by the surveillance camera, the search was justified, an inception and reasonable scope. The vaping device could logically be in Jack's backpack, if not on his person. Does the school have the constitutional authority to place surveillance cameras in the school hallways? Why or why not? Yes, as long as it does not infringe on students' reasonable expectation of privacy according to the balancing test TLO. Schools' interest in maintaining safe and orderly environment outweighs the minimal privacy concerns of students in hallways. The use of surveillance cameras does not involve physical searches or personal intrusion. Students' rights under the Fourth Amendment, search and seizure. It protects against unreasonable search and seizure within a school setting. School officials cannot conduct searches without a reasonable suspicion as established in the New Jersey v. TLO 1985. The standard requires specific articulable facts that suggest the student is violating school rules or the law. Therefore, asking the student to empty their pockets or searching a backpack is reasonable if there is a suspicion of a rule violation. However, the search should not be more intrusive than necessary. Students have limited expectations of privacy in public schools that have legitimate surveillance cameras serving school interests such as ensuring safety and rules are being compliant. Thank you and have a good day.